Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Australian shares are expected to open lower this morning, and that's after Wall Street witnessed its worst session since June of this year due to a heavy sell-off. Market sentiment fell significantly after the latest US inflation data revealed that the consumer prices surged faster than expected in August. There are expectations that the US Federal Reserve would hike interest rates at 4% or above early next year to tame hotter than expected inflation. Moving on to some business news now, and Rio Tinto and China's Baowu Steel Group have agreed to enter into a joint venture regarding the Western Range iron ore project in the Pilbara in Western Australia. The companies are investing $2 billion to develop the mine. Rio Tinto makes up 54% of the JV and Baowu the other 46%. Western Range's annual production capacity of 25 million tonnes of iron ore will help sustain production of the Pilbara blend from Rio Tinto's existing Paraburdoo mining hub. Construction is expected to start in early 2023, with first production anticipated in 2025. And the Link Group has applied and obtained orders to adjourn the second court hearing relating to its proposed acquisition by Dye Durham. The hearing had been originally rescheduled for September the 15th. It's now been pushed back to September the 23rd. And Earlypay have announced that after 20 years with the company, including 12 years as CEO and Managing Director, Daniel Riley will retire from his executive role following the AGM in November. In the interim period, James Beeson, currently Chief Operating Officer and Executive Director at Earlypay, will transition from COO to CEO and Managing Director. Earlypay has also started the hiring process to fill the COO role. Well, now it's time for a short break, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Over on Wall Street, the Dow Jones fell 3.9%. The S&P 500 dipped 4.3% and the Nasdaq ended 5.2% lower. The Dow Jones shed almost 1,300 points in the sell-off. Over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 fell 1.7%, the FTSE was down 1.2%, the CAC dropped 1.4%, and the DAX ended 1.6% lower. MSCI's gauge of stocks across the world fell 3.39% in its biggest daily fall since the 13th of June. Oil prices declined after the inflation data from the US and also renewed COVID-19 curbs in China, the world's second largest oil consumer. It also weighed on crude prices. WTI fell 0.54% at $87.31 US cents a barrel. Brent crude closed at $93.17 a barrel. That was down 0.88% on the day. Gold prices tumbled after higher than expected consumer prices in the US triggered fears of aggressive interest rate hikes. The climbing dollar also put pressure on gold prices. Spot gold dropped 1.3% to $1,702 US dollars an ounce, and US gold futures fell 1.45% to $1,705 US dollars an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX Breakfast report here this morning at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.